Hello, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Charlie Dashner. I'm the Sales and Marketing Coordinator for Sherwood Manufacturing. Today, we're excited to introduce to you our wrench-free toggle clamp attachment for 5/16 open-arm toggle clamps. We offer these attachments in 3 different versions, each tailored to meet the unique needs of your welding fixtures and find you the ideal solution. Its main feature is our patented internal threaded bolt retainer, which you may have already seen on our low profile. The purpose of this attachment is to eliminate the need for 2 wrenches. As a manufacturer, we understand that in this business, time is money. Every second counts when managing a job, and maximizing efficiency is essential to staying ahead. That's why our aluminum knob and internal threaded bolt retainer are designed to help you adjust your clamp quickly, so you can get right back into welding. These attachments are versatile and work seamlessly in both the metal and woodworking industries. We offer it in 3 different configurations. A 3.25-inch long rubber spindle that's best used with our block. A 2.87 short rubber spindle is ideal for woodworking and without a block. And a 3-inch long carriage bolt that can be used with and without a block for high temperature applications. All these attachments are compatible with 5/16 open arm toggle clamps, as manufactured by DeFaco, Goodhand, Carlene, and Jurgen. By incorporating our wrench-free attachment into your workflow, you'll enhance your fixture process on your next project, ultimately saving both time and money. This improvement will help you streamline operations, giving your company a competitive edge. As you've seen in our previous videos for our low profile and our little finger, our wrench-free attachments give you another option for your clamp. We hope you see the value in using our wrench-free attachment as much as we do. Visit our website to order any of our attachments. Be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know about our latest updates.